This is how you can publish a Glide app and share. So first, make sure that you're already logged in or signed up to an account. And then from your dashboard, you'll be able to find your apps. Or if you cannot find it, you can just head over to the left side panel and then click on apps right here. And then it will show all of the apps that you have recently created. Now from here, we're just going to choose the app that we want to publish and share. And then from there, you will easily see this publish button right here at the top right of your screen. You're just going to click on publish and then make sure that you create this customize, or you customize your link. Now we're going to just customize this. So for example, we want to name our app Strawberry Soju. Let's just see the availability of this one. So it's going to check for you if this name is still available. And then after that, we're just going to click on publish. Now once you hit on publish, this will be shared to the public and it will be visible to everyone else. Now, what you're going to do next to share is you're going to copy the link and then, or you can also just share this QR code right here. So you can copy the link by clicking on copy link right here. And then you can also just create a private invite link, or you can also send an email to invite some users. Now you can also just copy this QR code right here. And then that's it. That is how you're going to publish a Glide app and share it to everyone else. Thank you for watching, and if this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.